What if you could take a high-performing ad and reuse its structure for your own product in under 5 minutes? Most AI tools generate ads from scratch. That's useful. But today, I'm going to show you something smarter. Ad replication inside UrlToVideo. Instead of guessing what might work, we start from ads that already proved themselves.
Let's jump into the workspace. This is the ad library, currently holding over 493 million ads. You can filter by platform, status, country, date, and yes, even find ads that are already offline. We cover Facebook, Instagram, X, TikTok, YouTube, and Pinterest. You can open any ad and view the original landing page. But today, we're focusing on structure.
Here's how ad cloning works. On the left is the reference ad, the structure we're learning from. On the right, that's your product. If you don't have an idea yet, you can pick one directly from the library, or simply paste a product URL or upload a video. I'll choose this reference ad. Now I'll paste my product link here. Click Analyze, and it automatically pulls product images. I'll select a few key visuals and hit Generate.
Let's see the results.
No, you better watch out. Some guys are only about that thing, that thing, that thing, that thing, that thing, that thing.
You'll notice it keeps the proven flow of the original, but the visuals, product, and messaging are fully customized. It's not about copying, it's rebuilding it for your own offer. If you want to test smarter instead of guessing, you can try this workflow yourself. Links in the description. I'll see you in the next one.